Hello families, I am Principal Matt McMahon of Yes Prep White Oak Elementary, and I am standing at our construction site where amazing progress is being made every day. While our building is taking shape behind me, our team is working hard to create an incredible learning environment. From our state-of-the-art classrooms to our innovative learning spaces, we're building something very special for you and your children. We're excited to be joining the community and invite you to be part of something special here at Yes Prep White Oak Elementary. We still have spots available and would love for you to join us and our community in this exciting journey. Apply today to be part of our founding classes.